So the first thing I want to start off with is skin prep. I'm going to try out this Pop Beauty Pucker Up Patches Hydrogel Lip Mask. And let's test this out because, you know, our lips have to be popping for Valentine's Day. Cute. This lip mask really made my lips tingly. So I'm just going to lock in the moisture using my lip balm from Bath & Body Works. I was so excited to receive these products from Influencer, from JLo Beauty. I've been using the gel cream cleanser every day to wash my face, and it's definitely cleared up a lot of my acne, and my skin has been glowing every day. I love how the face wash lathers up. And to continue prepping my skin, I'm going to use the JLo Beauty That Big Screen Broad Spectrum SPF 30 Moisturizer. And I love the packaging. It feels very silky. I love how smooth that moisturizer is. Next, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows, and I'm using the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer, my holy grail brow pencil. I'm just going to use this pencil to outline the top and bottom of my eyebrows.
Ryan Little.
So the next new product that I'm going to test out is from NYX Professional Makeup. This is their Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pencil in the shade Ash Brown. And I tried this pen out before in the shade Brunette, but that shade was too warm for my eyebrows. So I wanted to try this shade out. This is Ash Brown, and this one is Brunette. So one is definitely warmer than the other. I love how quick this makes filling in my brows. Yes, this is my shade right here. And then once the brows are filled in, I'll use the spoolie just to brush through the brow hairs. And brush the brow products throughout my eyebrow. And now I'm going to just clean up my eyebrows using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Fair. Next, I'm going to prep my eyelids using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Light Sand. And this is just so I can have a even blank canvas for my eyeshadow. Okay, so now for eyeshadow, I'm using the Caliente Artist Couture Eyeshadow and Pressed Pigment Palette. And I'm going to be taking this pink eyeshadow and placing it all over my eyelid. This color is so perfect for Valentine's Day, and it's so pigmented. And it has a slight shimmer to it. It's not fully matte. I'm just going to blend it a little bit into my crease, just using tapping motions. Next, I will be taking this other pink eyeshadow in the palette, and I'm going to blend that right above the shadow I placed on my eyelid. And then now I'm going to go back in with the first shade that I placed on my eyelid and just tap that all over my eyelid one more time. So I'm just going to use a makeup wipe to clean up the edges of my eyeshadow. These Artist Couture eyeshadows are everything. They were super easy to blend. They weren't patchy at all, and they were super pigmented. So I'm super excited to try this. So this eyeliner is from Lilly Lashes. This is the Black Power Liner. It's not only an eyeliner, it also has lash glue in it. Latex-free lash glue. These are the lashes I'm going to use. Also from Lilly Lashes, this is the style that they are. These are 3D Faux Mink eyelashes. This is my first time trying Lilly Lashes. They're so beautiful. And you know we have to have some flirty, cute lashes for Valentine's Day. So I'm first going to apply the eyeliner. I love that the tip isn't too flexible. love how matte this eyeliner is. Do I need to let it dry? Apply 2 layers of eyeliner onto your eyelids and let the product dry for a few seconds. Let's do another layer. I think the eyelash is actually sticking on there. Oh my gosh, it really did. Okay, these brands have really been impressing me with all these new lash technologies. For my foundation today, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, and this is the dewy version. If I could take this foundation on a date for Valentine's, I would. Then I'm going to blend out my foundation using this flat kabuki brush. This is from the Walmart brand Equate. I've been liking to use a brush to blend out my foundation lately. Now for concealer, I'm using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Light Sand. And I also been liking to blend out my concealer with a brush too. I'm using the Luxie 207 medium angled shading brush. Next, I'm taking the Collab Set the Stage Ultra Fine Loose Setting Powder, and I'm just going to set the center of my face and underneath my eyes. For blush, I'm using the Phase Zero Blush and Bronzer Trio, and I'm going to take this blush. And for bronzer, I'm going to use a very OG NYC Smooth Skin Bronzing Face Powder in Sunny. Let me know if you still have any NYC products in your makeup collection. RIP to the best liquid liner in the whole world. So I'm just going to finish up my eyes. I'm going to blend the same 2 eyeshadows along my lower lash line. And to blend out the lower lash line even more, I'm using the Makeup Shack T14 brush and just blending along those 2 pink shades to further smoke out the lower lash line. My go-to inner corner highlight is the e.l.f. Baked Highlighter in Moonlight Pearls. I can never skip this step. Boom. It just does it for me. I'm adding that onto my brow bone also. I'm going to line my lips with the I Love Seta and ColourPop Lippy Pencil in the shade 951. And then I'm going to apply the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Bit of Honey. I never tried this lip gloss shade before. I have tried the NYX Butter Glosses and they smell amazing. I love this color. We need a glossy pop-in lip for Valentine's Day. The last and final step. This is the Pop Beauty Makeup Magnet Mist. I'm just going to set my face. It smells mint tea.